Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Solutions. We have an important update for Windows 11 users. The latest security update, KB5063878 for Windows 11.2.4H2, is reportedly causing major issues with NVMe SSDs. This problem was first reported by users in Japan, where SSDs started acting up during heavy write operations, like copying or writing large files, especially when drives were more than 60% full. Reports suggest that multiple SSD models are affected, including Corsair Force MP600, Maxio SSDs, SanDisk Extreme Pro, Kioxia Exceria Plus G4, Kioxia M.2, and several drives using InnoGrit and Phison controllers. In some cases, the drives came back after a reboot, but others became completely inaccessible even after restarting. So what should you do? If you have KB5063878 installed, you can uninstall it to avoid these SSD slowdowns. Let me show you step by step. To check if the update KB5063878 is installed on your system, press Windows +I to open the Settings app. From there, navigate to Windows Update and open Update History. Scroll down until you see the option Uninstall Updates and click on it. A list of installed updates will appear. Look carefully to see if KB5063878 is listed. If you find it, you can remove it easily. Simply select KB5063878, then click on the Uninstall button at the top of the window. Confirm the action and allow Windows to remove the update. Once the process is complete, restart your computer when prompted. And that's how you can protect your SSD from the performance issues caused by the Windows 11 update, KB5063878. Until Microsoft releases an official patch, it's best to avoid writing very large files to SSDs that are more than 60% full. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Solutions for more tech updates and troubleshooting guides. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.